Should a Bitcoin spot ETF gain approval, what might the consequences be? This conundrum has not only cryptocurrency enthusiasts but also financial analysts scratching heads. It's a question with the power to reshape the digital asset investment arena. Based on expert predictions, a Bitcoin ETF approval could likely bring a new wave of institutional investors, potentially boosting the liquidity and stabilizing the of Bitcoin. Furthermore, the approval could pave the way for a reduction in market manipulation and price volatility. It could also lead to greater regulatory scrutiny and the possibility of more stringent tax implications. In recent news, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has submitted a proposal for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF. This move has sparked speculation about the likelihood of a Bitcoin ETF becoming a reality. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, could enhance mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin investing and open up new investment opportunities. A Bitcoin spot ETF, unlike its futures counterpart, would allow investors to engage in Bitcoin price movements without directly owning the cryptocurrency. The impact of this could be far-reaching. Bitcoin and crypto price models suggest that the approval of a US Bitcoin spot ETF could add $1 trillion to the overall market value of cryptocurrencies. Analysts believe that the next wave of institutional adoption of Bitcoin will come through financial institutions offering Bitcoin investing through ETFs. This could potentially trigger an influx of capital into the Bitcoin market. Inflows of $155 billion into the Bitcoin market through spot ETFs could increase the Bitcoin price to between $50,000 and $73,000 and increase Bitcoin's market cap by 82 to 165%. Several asset managers, including Franklin Templeton, have followed in the footsteps of BlackRock and filed for Bitcoin spot ETFs with the SEC. A false report of a Bitcoin spot ETF being approved by the SEC caused volatility in the Bitcoin and crypto markets, indicating the high level of anticipation and the possible market impact of such an approval. JP Morgan analysts predict that the SEC will approve multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications within months, potentially before January 10, 2024. The narrowing discount of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust suggests growing investor confidence in the possibility of spot ETF approval in the future. In conclusion, the possible outcomes of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval could be transformative for the cryptocurrency market. It could lead to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin investing, potentially trigger a significant influx of capital into the Bitcoin market, and ultimately redefine the landscape of digital asset investment.